Good morning, everyone. Welcome back here again to my kitchen design with the island. We're back here today to just to finalize the kitchen because last time when we left, um, all the cabinets are all the cabinets in the trim works are all done, but except the light balance and the appliances wasn't hooked up. The light wasn't hooked up, so now we just had all the lights hooked up, everything. And so now is we're just gonna finish the balance for the under lighting and the faucets and some other trim works that needs to be installed. All right, so that's our needs to be done today. All right, let's do this. All right, that's done. Now we're gonna do this side and this one too. Now it's time to install the vent hood. All right, it's good. All right, now it's working. Good. All right, now it's good. All right, so now it's done. All we're gonna do now is just gonna put it back all the doors.